one finger, hang on. Smear your buttercream around. Try not to get any crumbs in it. But since we're going to cover this with fondant, it won't matter so much. I just prefer not. You see that? Our pan out of the way. Here we go. We're going to rotate. Hang on. This is where I love my gloves. This ball pan, I would say, uses one recipe of cake batter. So if you're using a box mix, or if you have one recipe that you make from scratch, figure it's going to take no more than one recipe of your favorite. A denser cake is much better than a softer cake. Pound cake works good. Hold on. Oh, we're getting crumbs. Oh well. Once this is chilled, then you can take and go like this to smooth it out. Actually shift it a little bit, put it right back where it belongs. That foam core is going to help us get our fondant down around the cake. Make it stay put. Now if you want to, and you're worried about this ball rolling off the board, you can put a dowel rod through it, straight through. So we can do that too. And I'll show you what we'll do with that. Okay, I'm going to bop this in the fridge for a few minutes, and then we're going to dowel it so that it stays put and doesn't roll off in case you want to transport it. So we'll put this in the fridge. Careful not to roll it. Okay, while that's chilling, we're going to talk to you about this ball pan and how you fill it up with batter. So I said to spray it with Pam. You can see that there's some Pam residue on here. And you can see that I didn't get it sprayed too well with this one, or it wouldn't have stuck the way it did. So don't lose your rings. Hang on to those. Put them in another pan. Then get your cute little 6-inch Stanley level. See the bubble on there? We're going to utilize that to level this pan. It worked well for this direction. This way, you can see the bubble's off. The bubble's not there. So we're going to take and tilt it till we get it center, like that. And this is before you put the batter in. Okay, and we're going to check it this way. Tilt it that way again. Because you need to fill this at least 2/3 full. The higher you go, the more it's going to get you level on the pan. Then you can cut it straight off and have all cake to cake instead of having a gap. Okay, so this one, we're going to try this one. Look how that bubble's way off. So tilt it to get the bubble in the center. Rotate this up. See, I messed it up already. We got center there. Tilt it here. There you go. At this point, that's when I would fill it up with your batter. Spray it first, level, then put your batter in it. Okay, that way when you go to pick them up, you don't have to re-level it in the oven. You've got it in another pan. Pick it up, go put it in your oven. Okay, there's also a smaller version which you can find on eBay. They might be still making it, but I've had this quite a while. It's got a date on it of 1986. These are some mini ones. They're about cupcake size, but you fill it up and it rounds off, and then when it cools really down, I would chill these. You can take your knife and you can literally slice it off, put these together, and make little ornaments out of it, or little cake balls.